The word helicopter originates from the Greek words helix, meaning spiral, and pteron, meaning wing, which were combined by French inventor Gustave Ponton in 1861 to describe a proposed steam-powered flying machine. The term was later adopted by English speakers and has since become the standard term for rotorcraft that generate lift through rotating blades. Over time, the design and functionality of helicopters have evolved significantly, but the etymology of the word remains a fascinating connection to the innovative ideas of the past.